I made were the wrong choices. The first join retreat feels like a wrong choice. Then it's Shabbat, and we all escape the crush of trainings and icebreakers and consensus decision-making to go to a lake. I'm swimming, all sun on my chest, floating on my back, and then laughter filters through the water, burbling up from the shore, where the other fellows are sitting and talking, and Abby's playing guitar, and I'm alone in that lake, but for the first time, I won't feel lonely. I'm 22, and this year has felt like a liminal space, like floating, like I'm not quite an adult, but I'm no longer a child, and there are too many choices I need to be making, but when things get hard, and I'm crying on the train, or in the bathroom at work, or in the frozen aisle at the grocery store, to see my brother's favorite ice cream, and I'm overcome with homesickness, I keep returning to that lake in my mind, to the sun, and the laughter, and that first small taste of community reminding me what I had known all along. That there are no right answers, but that this choice is still the right choice. Not because it's the best choice, but because it's the choice that I happened to make. And when I'm in that lake, in that moment, in that memory, my worry and uncertainty about the choices I've made and the ones I'll have to make swirl together with everyone's muffled laughter and hold me like the water. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely anymore.